Welcome back to the channel. My name's Cole.Shelton. We're going to be talking about Matic in this video. We're going to be charting it. We're going to start on the monthly. Now, I haven't charted it yet because I like taking you guys through the process of how I think and where it could possibly go. And if you guys haven't already been following me, I make videos on all of these cryptos at the end of every single month. And I also post very high quality videos, hidden gems that I think are awesome, weekly lessons and great content to come. I have a lot planned for you guys. And so make sure to stay subscribed so you can get content like this every single week. And let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Now we're starting on the monthly, and the first thing that I don't like is that we have just decreasing volume. The volume is stagnant. We're kind of building up. We're going to either break to the downside or break to the upside. Anything can happen here with Matic. Now let's go ahead and jump over to the weekly because this gives us more of an in-depth analysis of the monthly, and the same with the daily. And that's why I like starting from the higher time frames, moving down to the lower. Now, if I'm day trading, I will start with the lower time frames and move up to higher if I need to. Now, first, let's go ahead and draw our obvious support and resistance. We have some support at 65 cents. We have some resistance at the high, and we have some slight resistance at at that $2 level, which is going to be psychological. It's more of a zone. So let's see where this could take us. And I'm actually going to also draw our trend lines. I think I'm going to do it from the body here. We have a nice uptrend. This could be a nice symmetrical triangle. I don't like that we already broke out to the upside, but we still could break out, and it does look pretty promising. We have decreasing volume on this candle, which is not what I want to see, but it looks like we just have increasing volume when we have green candles in general. So that's what I like to see. That's a bullish sign for me. Now, if we come up close to this $2 level, break above it, and then close back below on the weekly time frame, that's going to be extremely bearish. We've done that once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Now, if we do that again, I would be looking to scale out of your position, leave a moon bag just in case. And again, I have no idea where it's going to go. Nobody does. So you got to make your own trade plan. And as always, be safe out there. But let's go ahead and jump to the daily. And if we look at the daily, we can see that we have a wedge, and we probably could have saw that on the higher time frames, but it's more pronounced now. It looks like we are building up on the on the bottom trend line. We were here, pulled back, we're building up a little bit. So usually when it builds up, it looks like to break to that side, but not in the crypto space. It's weird. The crypto market works differently, and you have to kind of understand it. Well, the whole market's been absolutely crazy. The stock market, the housing market, the crypto market, everything's been acting strange. Over the next few weeks, I want to see Matic get above $2 and hold $2. Now, if we hold $2 and start to build up, we could potentially break this downtrend, come back to that $2.30 level, and from there, it's really $2.50 is going to be our next resistance, and then that all-time high at $3. And if we go ahead and jump to the 4-hour, we can actually see that we might be forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now, I saw this on VeChain, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. So everything kind of is following the same thing right now. We have the first shoulder, the head, and I am looking for that second shoulder, maybe a nice false breakout of this 50 SMA. Now, the neckline is where this peak and pull up to with another peak. If you want to find out where this could go, you want to use a measured move from the low to the high, move it up to the neckline, and that gives us a measured move in this area of around, I'm just going to say $2. Now, if we break over this 200 SMA and hold the 200 SMA, then most likely the 50 SMA will cross the 200 SMA again, and then that will be an extremely bullish sign for the 50 SMA to squeeze us above this $2 level, back up to those highs, and eventually above that trend line. I'm going to keep that nice, short, sweet, and simple. Matic, I'm not really a huge indicator guy. I'm more volume and price action with some moving averages. I believe if you have a lot of indicators on your screen, you're just going to get analysis paralysis. They're all going to say different things. But again, hey, that's not my edge. If you have an edge around that, good for you. If you can make money, I'm happy for you. Anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping in. Again, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to get there by the end of December, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. While I was editing this video, I realized that I did not do my Fibonacci retracements, so let's go ahead and take a low to the high. We can see we pulled back right to that 78.6 area, or this OTE zone. And if we go ahead and use our Fibonacci extensions, we can see that that OTE zone gives a price target of around $5. Now, that would be absolutely crazy if Matic breaks this trend line and we absolutely rip with the whole crypto market I think it's definitely possible. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.